I'm Christine Kickels, librarian and faculty member. The College of DuPage Library is a rich resource on campus that has something for all of our students to use. Our mission is to provide seamless, easy access to materials and places that help you be successful. Most students discover us when they need a place to study or when starting a research project, but we have so much more. As a college library, we offer several unique things. For example, we are home to a media lab, a place for creativity and technical support, as well as a location to borrow cameras, podcasting kits, and green screens. We also lend equipment like laptops and hotspots for the semester. These are new devices that are free for our students. They go quickly, so reserve yours online or stop by the library for more details. Besides books and over 150 online databases offering articles and videos, we have graphic novels, select textbooks on reserve, and a huge collection of anatomical models like skeletons, arms, and hearts. Our health science students love the easy access to these outside of class times. Come explore our collections in person or online this fall. You already have access to these with your network ID and password. We are prepared to help you any way we can, and we look forward to hearing about your projects and connecting you with the best information out there.